Panguva ino zvobuda pachena kuti aiwa comrade aiwa Blessed Runesi Geza panguva inoyi aiwa ari kuzama nepanogona napo kuti arepresente aiwa General Chiwenga panguva ino. Sana pana mashoko anobuda achitaurwa panapa vanhu vachinyatso kuanalyza mashoko nemaspeeches aiwa nemapraises ari kuitwa nacomrade Geza. Ndobva subscribe like watomba bell icon. Timira panapa pahindi mapolitical commentators vanobanyira chete. 3 facts about Blessed Geza. Blessed Geza is a fully fledged, long-standing and unquestionable ZANU-PF member who is not only an ordinary party member but a member of the Central Committee of ZANU-PF. In as much as what Blessed Geza is saying is the truth, it is clear he is representing the Chiwenga faction. He is evidently backed and protected by that faction. Blessed Geza's recent utterances against Emmerson Mnangagwa and his regime are and were not motivated by a genuine desire for political change in Zimbabwe. Geza is fighting for his preferred faction to take over. He is basically saying yanguva yedu yekumbotongawo is now our time to eat. The man has not relinquished his membership. What is happening in ZANU-PF are only power struggles, which absolutely do not have anything to do with the suffering masses. The beast is renewing itself to prolong and maintain its status as the ruling party. Many are touting Blessed Geza as the bravest guy, real macho man, for saying what they are afraid to say. Right? So, I would too if I were gullible. But how is it bravery when he knows he is fully protected by those he is fighting for? It is regrettable that at this particular time there is no genuine opposition party to capitalize on these power struggles within ZANU-PF and advance the change agenda. Thomas Kwanumdanyo kapana puma political commentators vachari mafungiro opo pamusoro paBlessed Runesi Geza vachiti aiwa mukomana yes ari kuda kuti vakomana nezvigananda zviende, but at some point vari vachianalyza kuti aiwa vakomana ava vari ngoya vachiita mapropaganda vachiadvansa kuti ivo vapindawo ive nguva yavo yekumbotyawo. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Tinakomesa section medu, chana subscribe, like, chana on the bell icon.